Basically, of course, if you have neck pain or when you do visit us and I realize that there is some issues in the neck that we can fix, we would go for the route of adjusting the neck. However, if you do feel uncomfortable, I do not force any of these treatments. It's not all just cracking and stuff. I have other treatments that we can do for the neck, for the back, for all the joints in your body. A lot of times, there are these arteries on the top of your neck, right up here. So the position that actually is the most dangerous is when you look up and you turn your neck. So usually that is what we want to avoid. In my practice, I always avoid twisting motions because that's the ones that causes the risk of a stroke. A lot of my movements are more lateral flexion, so it's not twisting, but it's side bending. And when you side bend, it basically eliminates all the risk of any strokes, any possible adverse reactions, and is usually a lot more comfortable for the patient.